Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action very straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, just summarize the price action for me today quickly, pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense that this company is being run out of somebody's attic over in North Korea. I'm not saying that. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just start by mapping out kind of quote-unquote where this all started. And the price closed right there yesterday, so that's what this red line here will denote. That's the closing price, so we'll just call that where it all started. So first part of the definition, price makes a really, really nice move. Well, considering that the price closed there yesterday, and then there's a massive gap up where it opened up there and then actually ran a little bit higher, I would say, yeah, that was quite the nice move. And then the second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, when you consider that the price, this all happened within the same day, I think that's a short amount of time. And then the final part, within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started. So it started here at this red line, but that's not where the price closed. The price actually closed all the way down here. So not only did it go back to where it started, it actually went lower. And if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. So 100% pump and dump on the price action today. Big gap up from there. But after that, it was pretty much all selling pressure, and back down it went to where it all started. So, or actually, I should say it went lower than where it all started. Now, can a new move happen? Yeah, there's always the chance of a new move occurring. So I don't want to sit here and say that the bulls can never make a good move again. But as far as the price action that happened this morning, was there any sort of true power behind that? Absolutely not, because price movements with true power don't go back to where they started and then keep on going lower. So it is what it is at this point in time. But yeah, if you were to force me to summarize this, pump and dump would do the trick. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.